Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on the Dollar. I'm your host, Ida. We're going to make this beautiful double-sided snowflake. One side has rhinestones on it and sparkly leaves and ornaments, and the other side has glitter and totally dazzled brooches and some bling wrap. So guys, this tutorial is very self-explanatory. First, we're going to start out with the plain snowflake from the Dollar Tree. You can use some strong adhesive, and you can use silver paint, but we're going to use black chalk paint, and we're going to paint the snowflake black to give us some contrast. And then after we paint we're going to paint both sides black, and then once we dry it, we're going to start decorating. One side is going to be, like I said, with the rhinestones. And guys, these rhinestones came from Dollar General, but Dollar Tree does have them in a half-size sheet. And if you're going to use the Dollar Tree ones, you're going to need 4.5 packs to do this project, because we use one right at 1 pack of, or a little bit over, of the Dollar General ones. I'm sorry guys. So we're going to use the hair dryer to actually dry the snowflake, and then once it's dry, you're going to just see me decorate. So I'm going to let y'all enjoy the rest of this video, guys. I'll see you in the next video, and guys, I love you so very much. So bye bye. Fam and guests, if you like what you're seeing so far, please take this opportunity to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell, so you will never miss an upload from us. Bam, isn't this turning out beautiful? And guess, so if you like this, please don't forget, as I said, to hit the like button. Also, guys, if you're new here for the first time, please go down in the comments and leave me a purple heart so we can leave you some love. This DIY. So if you did, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And remember, guys, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you to the moon and back again. And when I tell you this, guys, I truly mean it. Oh, guys, and our name has not changed. It's still going to be Design on the Dollar. That's what God gave me. That's what y'all like, and so that's what it's going to be. Design on the Dollar.